Hi, this is Belle Woodhouse. I'm a contributor for International Living in Cozumel, Mexico. Today I'm visiting Cindy and Dan, and they own and run one of the island's top small boutique hotels called Los Alcatraces, which we will be touring later in the video. If you would like to move to Cozumel or anywhere else in Mexico, click on the link below in the description box and download the free report of this close to home retirement haven. We'll show you the best places in Mexico to find super affordable rental options, how to find your dream home in Mexico, which visa is right for you, and so much more. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the subscribe button, and that way you won't miss out on any of the upcoming expat interviews and tours.
Buenos dias.
Yeah. Welcome to Los Alcatraces. Please come in.
Hi guys!
Hi.
I'm here today with Cindy and Dan, and we're here in the lovely Caribbean from the Americans, and we're on Cozumel Island in the Mexican Caribbean. So the Riviera Maya is one of the top areas that expats love to live in Mexico, and these guys are living the dream. They're doing it. They have a gorgeous place and they make some passive income by, after renovating, they rent out the rooms. They all have a little ensuite and it's turned into a great little business. Last year they got a top Traveller's Choice Award through TripAdvisor, which is only given to 10% of the world. So they're living the Mexican dream. So let's have a chat with Cindy and Dan. Hi guys.
Hi.
What's your favourite thing about living here? I mean, living on a Caribbean island?
Oh gosh, there's a lot of things. I love the ocean and the water and the sand and the weather. We came from Colorado where we get snow, so we like the weather a lot.
The weather,
Yeah.
the food, the people.
Yeah.
Oh yes, the food's a big one for me as well.
Yeah.
I love the food here, and there is so much of it, and we have so many restaurants and all these international cuisines, and you can get basically anything you want. So please don't think because we live on an island that we don't have anything.
Yeah, and it's very affordable. Yeah.
Do you eat locally or do you eat in the fancy restaurants because it's so much cheaper? I personally prefer to eat locally because the food is amazing and it's made fresh that day with all fresh ingredients. But what about you guys?
Same.
Well, for us personally, we tend to stay away from the tourist restaurants, and because we like the local restaurants, the family-owned and operated places, the pricing, the freshness of it, you just can't beat it.
Yeah.
I'm the same.
Yeah.
I'm the same. We just have so much wonderful food here. But what's your other favourite thing? For me, I love the ocean. I love that I can walk down and go for a swim every day. It's warm year round, so my aches and pains aren't so much aches and pains anymore. Did you find that as well?
Yes, very much. Very much, yes. The ocean's very healing and soothing, I think.
Yeah. And of all your aches and pains gone
Yes,
as well.
it does. It's like we would say it's like a big Epsom salt bath, you know?
It's very therapeutic.
Yeah, it's very therapeutic, yes. Yeah. We also love living here because the cost of living is so much less than in the United States, so.
You were saying before, they were saying like their telephone provider was a tenth of what they would pay back home and things like that. But what about their healthcare?
We've had excellent health care. We have insurance here that we bought for anything catastrophic that may happen. But normally we just pay as we go to the dentist, to the doctor. It's very affordable and we get great care.
I was the same. I had to, even during COVID when everything was closed down, I had to get some dental work done, and they opened up the dentist clinic for me, and I needed to get a root canal, 2 emergency visits to the dentist, and it was only like $50.
Right.
So just
Yeah.
the healthcare I was astonished at how incredibly cheap it was.
Right.
And excellent healthcare here on the island, because even though it is an island, we do have a lot of healthcare providers. We have specialists, top cardiac specialists, and also we have 6 hospitals. So don't be fooled. Cozumel is a very large island,
Yes.
which is one of the things that I love, knowing that I can get anything that I need. So
Yes.
what's your favourite thing? Like your absolute favourite thing of being here?
Being here. I have to say the ocean for me, the sea. We scuba dive and snorkel and just love being by the water.
I would say it's your day-to-day freedom.
Yes, that's a big
You
one.
can go into the water, you can, walk through the local parks, the local square, the museum, you can meet friends out.
Yeah.
It's your day-to-day freedom
Yeah.
to do what you want and to enjoy your days.
I am the same. I love the flexibility of the island life and working different hours, working when I want to work and having the freedom to work when I want to work, because I have very good internet. You guys are the same?
Yes.
Yeah, we have fibre optics, everything's very quick, so a lot of people think that if you move down here, and especially to an island, you will have to do without things, but that's not the case.
No.
We get a lot of, you can keep your HBO and your Netflix and everything else. We have high-speed internet, it's just like being at home, but with beautiful Caribbean warm weather.
Right.
Pretty much.
We have everything we need here.
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm the same. I love it, absolutely love it.
Right.
So
We do too.
I think it's a fantastic choice. And if someone said to you, we want to come and live in the Riviera Maya, whether it be on the island or on the mainland, what would your advice be to them?
I guess the main thing I would tell them is just be prepared when you're trying to get things done down here in purchasing a home, owning a home, renovations, anything like that, is that things work on Mexican time here. They don't work on the times you're used to in the States. Everything's a little slower, a little more laid back, takes a little more time, but yet when you're living here, you have plenty of time.
It's very true.
That's true. Yes.
So yes, it's easy to be patient when you're living the life that we live.
Right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm the same. And it was lovely to see you both today.
Thank you. for
And
coming.
let's go and have a little look around the property.
Okay.
Hi. I love that you made a mural of the ocean and the palm trees. So, you do short-term rentals here, and this provides a bit of passive income.
Right.
Let's see one of the rooms, see what it
Okay.
looks like.
Well, this is probably our most popular room. It's the Mermaid Suite. We have lots of space, storage, AC, TVs, mini fridge. Both rooms have an ensuite bathroom. We supply shampoo and body wash. We supply coffee from Chiapas that our guests love.
Chiapas coffee is some of the best in Mexico.
Yes.
Well, I love the mermaid room.
Thank you. We have an outdoor kitchen we recently built, so our guests have the option to cook while they're here. Although a lot of them
Perfect.
choose not to because it's so inexpensive to go out to eat.
And there are so many wonderful local family-owned restaurants and luncherias within a 10-minute walk.
Yeah.
Oh, that is perfect.